Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to pay your YouTube TV bill. To pay your YouTube TV bill, first, open the YouTube TV app or website. Then tap on your profile photo in the top right corner. After that, select Settings and tap on Billing. Now choose Payment Method or Update Payment Method. Here, you can review your current payment details or add a new form of payment if needed. YouTube TV bills are automatically charged at the start of each new billing cycle. If you signed up through a mobile carrier or internet provider, you'll be billed by them instead. The monthly charge for the base plan is $82.99 plus tax, and any add-ons will be prorated and added to your next bill. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.